Kovai Classic Industries Areca Nut Dehusking Machine. Areca Nut Dehusker is designed to remove dry and wet husk from the crop. It is a fully automated machine. It separates husk, nuts and unpeeled areca nut. Specifications about Areca Nut Dehusking Machine. Type of machine: automated areca nut, beetle nut dehusking. Model: M2. Suitability: dehusking fresh green areca nut, betel. Power source: electric motor 2 horsepower. Single phase 1440 rpm, volt 240. Dehusking, P per hour 350 kilograms capacity. About Kovai Classic Industries. Kovai Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements. Registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiClassicIndustries.net, www.kovaiClassicIndustries.com.